So yeah, this is like very plastified kind of thing. So if anything spills on it, I can just easily wipe it. This is so good, but let's see if it's gonna stay, guys. Is it gonna stay? Is it gonna stay? But otherwise, it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. I don't remember how much it was, but I'm going to show you put the price, and it took like 2-3 weeks to come. I'm gonna ask my husband to help me out with this. So see you on the next clip. So guys, we are about to finally fix the wall sticker. I think I said how much it cost in the former video, but if I didn't, I'm just going to post it again. And yeah, as I said before, I got it from Aliexpress, so we're just gonna see how well it's gonna work. So the plan is to actually put it in this space, because this is just like the plain wall, and as I said before, anytime it gets like a stain, removing it is almost like impossible. Like currently there's even one stain that's not even going away, but anyways, we're just gonna do what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna show you how we do it and how easy it is, and hopefully how difficult it is, but hopefully not, it's not difficult. So yeah. Then one was supposed to be really brown one, just okay. You have done 6 of these already, you still don't know how to do 20. It's elastic. So guys, in this short part, so this corner here, this will be too small. So what I'm going to do is that later on I'll be taking like a piece of just this from another one, and then I'll just be adding it up just to close it up. But that's fine, it's looking good. I mean, it's not easy. So guys, we are done. Wait, how does it look like? I think it's the light, but guys, this is the outcome. It was really good. Obviously, it's not like very correct, but I'm sure many of you will be able to do better. But yeah, I just put some water now, and it just runs through. It just really runs through, so it's very easy to just clean. That's perfect. And to be honest, it gives the kitchen a whole total new vibe. So excited. So guys, this is the outcome of our kitchen. So we didn't have enough to like basically cover this top side, but yeah, like this is looking so nice, guys. It's actually looking very nice. It gives the house like a new vibe, and then now I don't have to be scared when I'm doing like, you know, stew or anything splashing. It would be easily wiped off and everything. But yeah guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this, and yeah, I'll definitely leave the link to this item on my description box or on the comment section. I'm just going to pin it there. So yeah, if you liked this video, please do me well to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.